Hey, it's David again. And this video is going to be about the difference between change and transformation, and how transformation is what it takes to be able to manifest the life of your dreams, the life that you know you deserve. It's transformation, not change. But what's the difference between change and transformation? The best analogy that I heard about the difference between these two has to do with popcorn. So you take a kernel of popcorn, and you can make changes to this kernel by, you can paint it or you can scratch it up, and that will change the kernel of popcorn. This is the same if we apply it to us. If we learn a few new things or change a few habits in our lives, we're changing, right? But is a change like that, is that going to get us the life that we visualize, the life that we're seeking, that we're trying to manifest into our reality? The answer is no. What it's going to take is transformation. Let's think about that kernel of popcorn again. That kernel of popcorn, if you put it in a hot dish or a microwave, what happens? It heats up and then it pops. The kernel pops. And then it's something different. It's not a kernel anymore. Now it's popcorn. It's transformed. It's a whole different thing. It occupies a different amount of space. It tastes different, looks different, has a different color. It has transformed. And this is our goal. You know, we're seeking to pop. We're seeking to transform also. And until we make that transformation, it's going to be difficult to manifest our dreams in our lives. I like the analogy a lot of the popcorn because it's kind of funny, but it's so true. Because look at the popcorn, what it has to go through to transform. I mean, do you think the kernel, if it could feel, do you think it's comfortable in the pan or in the microwave being superheated until it explodes out of its shell? That's a process of pain. It's a process of discipline for, if it had its own will, for it to stay there in the heat until it pops. How about us? What is life asking from us in terms of giving up our comfort so we can make that change too, so we can pop? Are you in that process now? Are you in the process of making yourself uncomfortable to invite that transformation into your life? It's a great question to ask yourself, and if you're not, the even greater thing is that you can create that for yourself. You can go ahead and create the circumstances in your life that will create transformation. You can create the uncomfortable circumstances. You can put yourself under a discipline that will turn you into something that you can't even imagine, and will manifest a life that you haven't dreamt about yet. We can set our goals on things, and we can visualize a new life, but the type of change that can happen in our lives, the type of new life we can attract with the transformation will be beyond our dreams. So I'll leave you with that, with ideas of popcorn, and maybe you'll go to sleep tonight and have a dream about being a kernel of popcorn and exploding out of your shell. And that would be beautiful, to have that dream. And more than having the dream, to experience that reality. So I'll leave you with that, and I'll talk to you again soon.